Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. Have you accessed your Google Chrome browser and it says your connection is not private or network error, cert common name invalid error? Then today let's fix it together, okay? So let's get started. First things first, you need to run your Google Chrome, okay? Just simply double tap to open. So once you're here at your Google Chrome, go for the upper right side of your screen. It has these three dots. So simply click on it to customize and control Google Chrome. Okay, once done, just simply scroll down and go for settings, which has this gear icon. Click on it. So once you're here at the settings, go for the left side of your screen. It has this list of options or sections. Now in this manner, you need to go for privacy and security, which is next to autofill and password. Simply click on it. And here you can see two options, safety check and privacy and security. In this manner, you need to go for delete browsing data. Click the forward arrow to proceed. And here under this delete browsing data window, it has these two options from basic to advanced, and I must recommend you to go for advanced. Okay, so here you need to make sure that all of this four, which is in default check mark, is marked. Okay, I mean don't unmark or uncheck any of this recommended options because these are very important to successfully delete your data. Okay, so after that, just simply click this delete data button. And once done, just have to close this window and proceed to the next step. Okay, so the next step is we need to open our control panel. Now, how we can do that? At the search button, type control panel. Okay, so click on open to continue. Once you're here at the control panel items, if your control panel doesn't look like this, just have to go for this view by and click either large icons or small icons. Just click any what is best for you or convenient for you, okay? Now this time you need to look for network and sharing center. So I can see here network and sharing center next to indexing options. So simply click on it. And the moment you click on that, you will be redirected here. Now here's the catch. You need to go for the left side of your screen. It has these four options, and this time you need to go for change adapter settings. Click on it. And the moment you click on that, you will be able to see all your network adapters. Now here's the very important thing that you must ensure. You need to identify the Wi-Fi that you are currently connecting in your device. Since I'm connecting to a Wi-Fi, then I'll go with this and do a right click and go for properties. The moment you click on that, a Wi-Fi properties window will appear. Here you need to look for Internet Protocol version 4. Okay, click on that. Then once you marked it, go for properties. Okay, so here in this new window, which contains the Internet Protocol version 4, you need to make sure that this obtain an IP address automatically is enabled, and here obtain DNS server address automatically is disabled. Now click on this one, use the following DNS server addresses. Now aligning this preferred DNS server, you need to input the best Google's DNS, which is 8.8.8.8, and the alternate DNS server, which is 8.8.4.4. Then click on OK to apply and then close this. Okay. So once you're done, you just have to simply close this window and restart your computer. And once you restarted your computer, you're good to go. Okay. So hopefully this video helps and fix your problem. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.